This presentation speaks to unit heater maintenance. There are different types of unit heaters: hot water coils, gas-fired heating sections. The best thing is to pull the manufacturer's information and add their suggestions to your maintenance schedule. Quarterly, check for particulate accumulation on filters. Clean or replace if accumulation results in a pressure drop or airflow outside of established operating limits. Check UV lamp. Clean or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Check air filter and housing integrity and correct as needed at time, and filters should be replaced or serviced. Semi-annually, check steam traps, pumps, controls. Clean or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Check control system and devices for evidence of improper operation. Repair or adjust or replace components to ensure proper operation. Check the P-trap. Prime as needed to ensure proper operation. Check fan belt tension. Check for belt wear and proper alignment. Replace if necessary to ensure proper operation. Check for proper operation of cooling or heating coil. Clean, restore, or replace as required. Annually, check control box for dirt, debris, and or loose terminations. Clean and tighten as needed. Check fan blades. Clean, repair, or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Check refrigerant system pressures or temperatures. If outside of recommended levels, find cause. Repair and adjust refrigerant to achieve optimal operating levels. Check for fouling, corrosion, or degradation. Clean or repair as needed. Check drive alignment, wear, seating in operation. Repair and replace as needed. Check integrity of all panels on equipment. Replace fasteners as needed to ensure proper integrity and fit finish of equipment. Lubricate field serviceable bearings. Check drain pan, drain line, and coil for biological growth. Clean as necessary. Check coil fins. Restore and straighten if possible. Replace coil if necessary. Inspect for evidence of moisture carryover beyond the drain pan from the cooling coil. Make corrections or repairs as necessary. Check for damper operation. Repair, replace, or adjust as needed. Visually inspect areas of moisture accumulation for biological growth. If present, clean or disinfect as needed. Check condensate pump or replace. Thank you very much. I hope that helps.